Today I am very excited because we have planned to go to the University of Washington in Seattle to attend the Cherry Blossom Festival. This festival is spring's one of the most happening festival here. It doesn't take long to get to Seattle, less than 20 minutes. Every time I go to Seattle, my favorite thing to see is this Washington Lake. Okay, we have arrived university. Now we will go around and see some places in campus, and then we will go to Cherry Quad. Okay, I was just thinking if I get the chance to study here, I'm pretty much sure I would end up here doing nothing. I would spend all day here just looking around. Unbelievable. This is truly astounding. Now we are approaching the iconic cherry quad at the university. I can see that this place is totally surrounded by cherry blossom trees. It is said that spring in Washington is synonymous with cherry blossom. And like the turn of season, these cherry trees put up their best show from mid-March to mid-April. But this bloom is heavily dependent on the weather. And once in bloom, the flowers will last for about a week to maybe 10 days before shedding their petals and turning into leaves. So they says that these trees come from the Arboretum in 1962 and this is their 61st bloom in this area. And they are approaching 90, so technically they are around 90 years old trees. And it is told that in late 1930 mid, Japan donated many cherry trees to Seattle. We were amazed to see so much activities around. Someone came for a picnic, someone for photo shoots, kids were playing here and there. Everyone was enjoying to their fullest. I believe this is the most trafficked area when the cherry blossom season opens. And while it's infinitely beautiful, I do recommend just crushing around. So, why we are here today in this particular area to see cherry blossom? Because we just wanted to see how it looks like when so many cherry blossom trees is in one place. Trust me, it is mind-blowing. It was amazing to see so many cherry blossom together. But if you are in Seattle, you can actually find cherry blossom springing up in every corner in Seattle.